Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that there is no specific way to look at messages that have been deleted by your friend for everyone. But in case your Android version is 11 or higher, there is a way to get around it. Now let's begin. Let's simply go to Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, let's simply go to Notifications. Right here, as you can see, there are lots of options, but simply scroll down till you see something like Advanced Settings. Simply click on it. And then once you're on the Settings page, right here you can see something like Notification History. I'm gonna click on it right now. And then what you need to do is simply turn it on. Now I'm gonna show you guys a demo of how to see deleted messages. I'm gonna send a message right now. Well, as you can see, there I received a message. And let's just say that my friend deleted the message before I could see it. Let's try to go to WhatsApp. And there you go. The message is deleted. Now I cannot see it. Now let's simply go to Notification History once again. And there you see in the Notification History, you can see something like this. The message that I just received, but my friend had deleted it. Well guys, that's it. That's how you get around how to look at deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.